In this guide video, I'm going to show you the procedure to stream Netflix with friends on Discord. So in order to stream Netflix on Discord with friends, you need to follow these steps. So basically what you need is open the Netflix app onto your device and make sure to open the particular show that you want to watch it with your friends. Once you've made this ready, you do not want to exit the page. Just make sure to exit out to the page only. Now then, you want to open a Discord app onto your device, and when you open up the Discord app, you want to go to the group where you actually have your friends on. And when you open up the voice chat, or when you open up this page, you also want to make sure to join the voice chat. Alright, so when you join the voice chat, you click onto the voice chat button. Here it is, and you want to start streaming. Now click on join voices, and once they've actually accepted this, you simply want to swipe down and you have this share screen. So maybe you could just go ahead and select it and click on share screen. Once you've done this, you want to exit out of this page and you want to open up your Netflix, and now you could go ahead and start streaming Discord, or you'll be able to start streaming Netflix on Discord. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.